Hi everyone, welcome back to Zoey and Ryder's channel. Today we're going to learn a cute Valentine's trick you can show your loved one on Valentine's Day. The trick we're going to learn is heart boop. First, hold your hand out flat and lure your dog towards it with a treat. When the nose touches your hand, immediately mark and reward. Once they get used to this, then you can form a heart shape with your thumbs and index fingers and lure your dog to put their nose inside the center of the heart-shaped hands. Again, mark and reward. Then add the verbal cue, heart, right before they put the nose in the heart-shaped hands. Alright, Zoey, are you ready? Let's start. Okay, good girl. Heart. Heart. Good girl. She did it. She did it. Zoey, heart. Zoey, heart. Good girl. Too easy, huh? Zoey, heart. Good girl. Zoey, heart. Heart. Come on. Zoey, heart. Heart. Zoey, come on. Heart. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Zoey. Zoey. Heart. Good girl. Okay, let's do it from the side way. Zoey, heart. Heart. Good. Oh, heart. Zoey, heart. Good girl. Oh, 여기 잘했어. Good girl. Zoey, heart. 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 Oh, good girl. You did it. You did it. Zoey, heart. Heart. You do it. Shake. Good girl. Heart. Good girl. Zoey, come on. Zoey, heart. 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 Zoey, heart. Zoey, hello. Hello, good girl. Heart. Good girl. Okay, Zoey. Zoey, heart. 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 Good girl. See, you got it. Up. Come on, touch. Good girl. Zoey, heart. Zoey, heart. Good girl. Good girl, Zoey. Good girl. You did it. Good heart. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. You did it. Good girl, Zoey. Zoey, heart. Maybe my heart was wrong. Zoey, heart. 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 Zoey, heart. Zoey, heart. Zoey, heart. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Jackpot, Zoey. Jackpot. Jackpot. Good girl, jackpot. Good girl. Okay, I'm gonna practice. Heart. Zoey, heart. Heart. Zoey, heart. Heart. Zoey, heart. Good girl. That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Jackpot. Jackpot. Zoey. Good girl. One more. Heart. Zoey, heart. Heart. Zoey, heart. Come on. Heart. Good girl. Yay! Good job, Zoey. That was it. That was it. That was it. Good girl. Jackpot. Good girl. Yay! Zoey, you got it.